mathematicians, we are, sorry for the cat butt, we are comparing numbers with inequalities. So inequalities are those like less than or greater than symbols. Here's Piglet. She's really excited about it. So let's figure out how to do it. When you are comparing integers, or any numbers, rational numbers, whole numbers, anything, when you're comparing numbers, you can use words or symbols. So some examples of the words to compare with are less than, greater than, also hotter or warmer than, it's colder than. Those are comparison statements. Bigger than, smaller than, those are some other examples. Really, the most mathematical ones we use are less than and greater than, but you might see some other ones that pair with those integer vocab words we've talked about. Symbols that we're using to compare right now are less than and greater than. There are other inequality symbols that we'll learn about later. Inequality meaning not equal to. So you can also sometimes compare and they are equal. You could use an equal sign. And then there's some other symbols we'll learn about when we talk about algebra. Okay, when you're making a comparison statement, you read left to right, just like when you're reading a sentence. So this says -6, and then that symbol is less than 10. -6 is less than 10, so that means -6 is smaller than 10. Some of you have been asking me about these symbols, and I kind of forget how to do it. A lot of us learned, myself included, that these symbols are like, I don't know, alligators or Pac-Man, mouths, or something that likes to eat things. So the alligator is what I learned it as. Here its beautiful teeth and its creepy little eye. The alligator always wants to eat the bigger snack, because who doesn't want more when it comes to yummy snacks? So you need to make sure that the alligator mouth, the side that's kind of open, is always going towards the larger number. It is not, here's a common mistake, it's not like an arrow. It's not pointing at the bigger number. No. It's eating the bigger number. So make sure that you are taking a second when you're working on these problems to make sure your inequalities are facing the right way.